Hello, my pre-calculus student. In this video, we are going to review how to graph polar equation. The given polar equation is r equal 1/3 cosine of theta. Since this is a cosine function and it is symmetry with respect to the polar, so therefore when we make the table, we only make the table from 0 to pi or 0 to 180 degrees. So this is the table. Let's plot the point now. So the first point will be 0 radian, 0.33. So from the 0, since your r is positive, you will follow the direction of your theta or your angle. So you count the scale go by 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. This is 0.4, so 0.33 will be close to 0.3. A little bit more than 0.3. And next move on to the next point. We have pi over 6, 0.29. So you go to from the center again. You count 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. So 0.29 is less than 0.3. So we follow the direction of the angle pi over 6 radian. Let's move on to the third point. Pi over 4, 0.24. So pi over 4 is between pi over 6 and pi over 3. So from the center, you will count 0.1, 0.2, so 0.24 will be a little bit more than 0.2 right here. Let's move on to the fourth point. We have pi over 3, 0.17. So from the center, you count 0.1, 0.2, so 0.17 will be less than 0.2. Pi over 2, 0. Pi over 2, 0. So far we have half of the circle. The next one, 2 pi over 3, negative 0.17. Now 2 pi over 3 will be in quadrant 2, but since your r is negative, so you have to look across from, or you have to look opposite of 2 pi over 3, so you have to look at pi over 3. So from the center, you will count negative 0.1, negative 0.2, so negative 0.17 will be less than 0.2 right here. Next point, we have 3 pi over 4, negative 0.24. So 3 pi over 4 will be between 2 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 6. So from the center again, you're not going to follow the direction of your angle 3 pi over 4 since r is negative. So you're going to look at across from that, so you will count negative 0.1, negative 0.2, negative 0.3, so negative 0.24 will be less than negative 0.3. Let's move on to the next point. We have 5 pi over 6, negative 0.29. So 5 pi over 6, again from the center, since your r is negative, you're not going to follow the direction of the angle theta. So you look opposite from pi over 6 will be 11 pi over 6. Then you count from the center again, negative 0.1, negative 0.2, negative 0.3, so negative 0.29 will be less than negative 0.3. And move on to the last pair, the last point. We have pi, negative 0.33. So from the center, so since your r is negative, you do not follow the direction of the angle theta or pi. In this case, you do the opposite. So you count negative 0.1, negative 0.2, negative 0.3, negative 0.33 will be right here. So you can see that these points just repeat. Now you will go ahead and connect. You have the whole circle. And then if you want to test it, you can continue to plus the rest of the points. So it means that from 7 pi over 6 or all the way to 2 pi, you will see that the point just repeats itself. So this will be the conclusion for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.